Okay, hello dear friends. Now we have some problem to solve. 二分之一加三分之一。The bottom is not the same, so we will use to find the common denominator times 2 times 3, the bottom times 2, the top times 2, the bottom times 3, the top times 3. So 6, 5. Okay, this one we first 5, 3, 6, and it is not the same. We will use find the common denominator, and the bottom time a number, the top will time the same number, equal 30, and this one becomes maybe I will use a red pen, 18, 25. So it becomes 43, and make it into mixed form, 1 and 13 over 30. Okay, this one we write it down, 8, 3 plus 5 over 12. So what do? We write it as 2 times 4, and 12 is 3 times 4. Then we will times 3. This we will times 2 times 3 times 2. So it equals to 4, 6, 3, 8, 24. And this is 9, and this is 10, so it's 19. Good. Okay, this problem 7, 15 plus 25, 3. So we dismantle it into 3 times 5, decompose 5 times 5, right? We need to times 5, we need to times 3, times 5, times 3, 35, 9, and the bottom will become 25 times 3, 75, and on top will be 44, and that is the answer. Fraction subtraction will be the same thing. Okay, we give ourselves enough room to write. So 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Denominator is not the same. Time 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So 4, 3, and the final result is 6, 1. And this one we move a little bit. It's 15, 8, 9, 4. And this we can decompose 3 times 5, 3 times 3. We need to times 3 here, we need to times 5 here, we need to times 3 here, we need to times 5 here. And that makes us, okay, first This is 24. This is 20. Now we go back, becomes 9 times 5, 45. And on top is 4. And that is our answer. This one we write 8, 5, 12, 7. So we rewrite into 2 times 4, 3 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2, 15, 14. So the bottom will become 24, 1. Ooh, that's a close call, right? And 9, 14, 9 over 14 minus 25, 1. And 40 we can rewrite as 5 times 8, 5 times 5. We need to time 5, we need to time 8, we need to time 5, we need to time 8, and 45, 8. Now change back to blue color. 25 times 8 is 200. 200. 45 minus 8 is 37, and that is it. Fraction multiplication. Go ahead, rewrite it. 5 on the bottom, 3 on top, times 4 over 7, 35, 12. So the result is 12 over 35, and that is it. This one, 8, 5 times 4, 15. Now we can cross cancel 1. Oh, this color might be too strong, right? We will use a lighter color. How about this one? Ooh. Okay, 1, 5. No, we just go back to 1, 2. So the final result is 1 over 10. Rewrite it 6 over 35 times 21 over 16. What do? We will find the common, cross cancel 3, 8, both divided by 2, both divided by 7, 3, 5. So the final result will be 9 over 40. Can they see it clearly? Did I write too small? Seems. But they can raise it up anyway. Okay, this one I will try to write a bit bigger. 225 times 5 over 8. Now we can cross cancel. So the final result will be 1 over 20. Okay, now the next page. We will add a new picture. This one, add insert a picture. Okay, make it small. Let me add a new page. Add page. Add page, add page, add page, add page. Good. Okay, we are adding enough page, easier for us to do. Let me crop it. I do not want to show my time to you. Okay. Okay. Then that is about it. Yeah, we are as big as we can. Good. Open it up. Observe the number pattern and fill in the blank. So on top is always 1, 1, 1, 1. On bottom is 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 over 6, 1 over 7. So this is 5 over 6, 6 over 7, 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6。乌啦啦，4、5、6。1 over 2, 4、8、16。1 over 32. 1 over 64. 3 over 5. 5 over 7, 7 over 9, 9 over 11. Anyway, you get the idea. Can you write the following phrase in math expression and then calculate their value? Show your work step by step. The sum of half and half is half plus half equal to 1. The sum of a quarter and 5, 17. The sum of a quarter, 1 quarter plus 5 sevenths. Now we need to time 7 times 4 times 7 times 4 equal to 28 and 27. Oh my goodness, it's almost there. The difference between 1 and a third. 1, 1, 1, What is going on here? Enable caption. What is going on? Of course, I will need to caption. 1 minus 1 over 3 is 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is 2 over 3. The product of 2/5 and 3 and 3. 2/5 times 3 equal to 6 over 5 is 1 and 1 over 5. The product of 3a's and 9. 3a's times 9 equal 27 over 8. 3824. Half of half, half of half equal a quarter. Okay, that is it. Now we add a new page. Insert a problem. I think insert this one. Let's see. This is the same problem. No. Delete. Now we will add another problem. 3. Insert one photo. Good. How about we make ourselves enough room? Seems not enough room, right? Let's crop it. 2 at a page. Seems good enough, right? Crop. Good. Good. I think we are good. Okay. Okay, put it here. Okay. Enable caption. Okay. I don't mean caption, but it is caption. Okay. Now we will enlarge it. Show after buying 12 chairs. After buying 12 chairs at 128 each at 10, so this will be 12 chairs, 128 times 12, and plus 342. So 128 times 12. It is quite small, the space. (256) 256加128。Okay, let me write it in another way, maybe. So this one we will not use bar model, just write it down. 128 times 12 plus the leftover equal to 128 times 12 2561886。This is strange. 6351536 and 1536加34289。 71878等于1536加342等于1878。它有1878元。300 children are divided into two groups. There are 50 children more in the first group than in the second group. How many children are there in the second group? So we have 300 into two groups. And these are 300 two groups. The first group total is 300. First group and second group. If we say second group is second and the first group is 50 plus second, right? So 50加 second group. No, I just use S. 再加 S 等于300。So 2S 等于250。S 等于125。第二组有125人，125加175刚好300。The difference between two number, if the bigger number is 3 times the smaller number, find the sum of the two number. Okay, so we have two numbers, big number, 3 number, and here the difference, big number, small number, and the difference if the big number is 3 times the smaller number. So the big number is 3 times the smaller number. And this is 2184. That is so one of these is 2184除以3。So smaller number 等于21。The difference Okay, hello dear friends, dear class. Now we see question 3. The difference between two numbers is 2184. If the bigger number is 3 times the smaller number, find the sum of the two numbers. When you read it, it's kind of confusing. So we first know there are two numbers. One number here, one number here, and they are different, right? And the big number is is 3 times the small number. So this is the big number, this is small number, and big number is 3 times, so 3s. Or you can write it like s, 3s. And the difference is actually 2s, is 1084, 2184, right? So this is SS. So we can know the small number, how many? 2184 divided by 2, because that's the difference. Difference is 1000 98. 1098. Now, the whole two numbers together is 4 times 1098 equal to20得8 49 36 14得4. The sum of two number, 两个数一共是4368. And that is it. Okay, now we add another one, another question. This page, I need to take a new picture. Okay, question D. Mrs. Garcia saved $2,001 in 2 years. She saved 65 a month in the first 15 months. She saved the same amount every month in the next 9 months. How much did she save a month in the next 9 months? So there are two parts of saving. Altogether, in 2 years, that is $2,001. So she first saved 15 months. 15 months saved this much is $65 times 15 months. And we need to know how much is this. And then this result will be divided by 9 months. And that is what we are going to learn, to solve. We need to figure out 65 times 15. 5、25、5、6、30、65、5、7、9、975。2001 minus 975 equal to 6、2、0、1等于1026 and then 1026 divided by 9 equal to 1026 divided by 9 19得9 2119得9， 36 44936等于114。来 we highlight this. So 他在后来9个月每月存114元。That is it. Question number E. Bill has $2,086 in his saving account. Round the amount of money to the nearest 100. 2、4、8、6约等于 to the hundreds， 所以到这一位2500。Question F. A shopkeeper packed 3,284 pieces of soap into 6 equal packages. How many pieces of soap were there in each package? How many pieces of soap were left over? 3,284 divided by 6 equal to 3,284 divided by 6 5、6、30、28、4、6、24、6、7、42余2。5、4、7余2，一共有547箱，还剩下2块。Mary had 1,240 picture cards. She kept 80 for herself and gave the rest to a group of children. Each child received 8 cards. How many children were there in the group? So, 它一共有1、2、4、0，这里是80，然后这个剩下是多少？分给每个孩子8个，1240减80等于1160。1160除以8等于，我们在这里写1160除以8， 18得8， 36， 48、32、45， 145。来，我换一个大一点的笔。一共有145个孩子。3,000 exercise books are arranged in 3 piles. The first pile has 10 more books than the second pile. The number of books in the second pile is twice the number of the book in the third pile. How many books are there in the third pile? So let's do it. The total is 3,000 books. And these 3,000 books has 3 piles. First pile, second pile, and third pile. Oh, let's do this way. Let's do this way. Okay, I will erase this one. So we first draw 3 piles. 1, 2, 3. 3 piles. And the first one has 10 more than the second. So first, second, and third. And the second is twice the number of third. So this is 2t, 1t, 2t. And this one is 2t, t 加 t. t 加 t 加10. So let's draw a picture. Now we have a rough picture of it. Now we can draw this. So we have first pile, second pile, third pile. No, that is not pretty. And the third pile. So the third pile, let's say this is T, third pile. And the second pile is 2T. And the first pile is 2T plus 10. And altogether makes 3,000. Now how do we do it? So 5t plus 10 等于 3,000. 5t 等于 2,990. t 等于 2,990 divided by 5. Now we can do it here. 2990 by 5. 55 25 49 59 45 40 58 40等于598。第三摞答第三层有598本书。Sally ate 1/5 of a cake, and her sister ate 1/6 of it. What fraction of the cake did they eat together? So it's 1/5. 1/5 is gone. 1/5 of the whole, and 1/6. Okay, let me put it here. 1/6 of the whole. So 1/5 plus 1/6 equal to, it's a fraction, addition times 6 times 5 equal to 11:30。他们一共吃了，他答，他们一共吃了30分之11份蛋糕。That's it. That's the homework. Post it. Bye bye friends. Uh-oh. What is going on? I erased some. What is going on? Oh. Oh. Half of half. Oh, because I changed the format, I think. Half of half. Okay, let me redo it. Half of half. Half of half equal 1/4. So this one 128乘以12等于1536。1536，来，我把这个和剩下的全都擦掉。Good。1536加342等于871878。他答，他一开始有1878人。Oh my goodness. Did I change format? Okay, let's see. Oh, I see. Oh yeah. Whoosh. That is good. Now I will need to save it as a PDF. Okay. Okay. Google Drive. Okay, that's my business. Bye bye, friends. Seems okay. Oh, this is a little bit too small. Oh my goodness, it's hard to see. Oh, done. 不敢碰你，小哥哥，小哥哥，小哥哥，哦 呦呦，小哥哥。